we got a head and shoulders right here. We got left shoulder inverted, and this could come back up. So that was a good call. Yeah, that's a good catch. So let's look and see what it do. TP2 is 2029. So let's do this. Well, let's go on the 30-minute with the DXY. We know that's an area. This is also an area I marked way down here for a turnaround. Okay, so if it had broke, we definitely would have got something like this. Okay, maybe created a W and then took off. All right, so can y'all hear me pretty good?
Yeah, we can good.
Good morning. So I would even though it's ranging, it does retest here and then continue to come up. Okay, then that'll be gold's move to continue to come down to TP2. All right, so definitely this is a 1 hour, 15 minutes. It may still want to push up just a little bit more. So it's not in the area to sell yet. Okay, if it does get back above this TP and come up here, then I would be looking for confirmation. 15 minutes, we do got confirmation it's in the supply area. I would want to see it come up again, kind of do one of these numbers and come back down. All right, so I would not be trying to sell while the momentum is coming up. Yeah, it's happening right now. I guess it ain't going up, it's dropping. We got a little support area right here. That's a little risky to be selling right here since the entry was up here. But if anybody else, Chris, did you catch it? James, did you catch it?
No. No, I did not.
Boy, you better turn that app on notification. You better turn that thing on so you can hear that cha-ching. That was a money move right there. I caught it on both brokers. The money move. I should have traded it on. I traded on options on my desktop, but I got it on MetaTrader 4. It was really nice. So let's see if it forms. If the hull comes around. If the hull comes around, then that's different. But if right now we got more bullish volume coming in, so I wouldn't be trying to sell down there. So the entry would be back here, up here. So we got till, opening bell is about to be in 6 minutes. So keep an eye on that if you want it. I do have an alert on it. All right, I do have a Bitcoin sale happening here. This is still it's still a sale for me, as long as it stays out of. When I said stay out of that China rising wedge, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
That's where you want to took it. You know, the whole reason why this is a sale is because when you look at it on the weekly time frame, that's one nasty wick right here. This wick here,
Yeah.
this wick right here, all came up, closed here. The next candle, okay, it closed down here, came up, and then closed back in. You open it up so everybody can see it. Okay, so the next, we got two red weekly candles, and it closed back in this zone. Okay, and this is where we are. So if we can get this next candle to come in out of this zone, it came out and went back in. This is where I'm going to sell. This will be my next sell entry. And so how many more what do we got? We've got 2 days left on this candle. So by Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we've got 2 days left on this candle. So, but this thing could be back down here on the daily. You know what I'm saying? So I want you to go down to the lower time frame, and this is where we're going to be looking for to get our entry. If we missed it up there, get our entry right here. It's Friday. People are going to be selling off. People need some change in their pocket. So I'd like to see this daily candle turn red. And another thing, if we do get that push, then we'll be breaking this, you know, the zero line on the MACD, that's what I want to see. I want to see us break that zero line on the MACD, and then we can take this for 3, and that's 3,000 pips. So that would be a nice short. Don't lose your shorts in your short. Right? And I would leave my stop loss out of this. You know, don't need to go too heavy into this. Okay, Bitcoin to do its thing. But if it does break and it close, then leave your stop loss somewhere about 400, 300 pips. For every 3-to-1 risk ratio, I'm doing about. If I'm looking to get 3,000 pips, I explain how to trade Bitcoin, guys. Yeah. You can go to my YouTube channel. Some of y'all heard me explain it, but I explain it right here. This here, how to trade Bitcoin. It's right there, okay? Get my views up. Go check it out. Remember, education is important. So knowledge is learning. It'll give you wisdom. Wisdom is knowing and earning. So right here, you know, how to trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin in danger. That video I posted last night. So go look at that. Definitely subscribe. Like it. Please like it. Like to get my likes up. I haven't been doing, the only live trading I do is, you know, on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So I'm doing live trading on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So I'll actually be posting these and moving them around to where they coincide. If I'm live, get a notification I'm live, because y'all will be on Zoom with me. So that's cool. So that's the latest one that came out. So go there and check it out. If you want to really learn, like, how many positions should I have? What should the leverage be? You know, all of that is in that video. Okay? So you can go there as well. All right. So I would be looking to trade this. It's 3,000 pips. So it could swing to the second and the third one. It's not going to do it all in one. We already know that. It's not going to happen. But the first sell-off will give you 1,000 pips. That's, when they pretty much sell pressure seems to move faster than buying pressure, especially when we get these news, when the volume gets very, very low, bullish volume gets low. When we get to these peaks in the market, this is when you're going to see a lot of selling pressure. And that's why you see more big, long wicks when it comes to selling than you do buying.
Yes. That's what.
Okay? People love to sell Bitcoin on Friday, too. We got more take profits coming in. Hit TP. Let's go. Good job. Amen. All right. So this is it's only an active trade right now for you guys if you caught it up here. But if you're not in, my thing is wait till it breaks on a lower time frame. So right now we're looking at the daily, but it could also break on the 4 hour. Okay, right now it's creating that little flag in our what zone?
No trade zone.
Right. So we're not in that. We're not. And look where it is on the MACD. It's saying it needs to come out some, right? I'm gonna say the same thing to you till you guys got it in the back of your brain. Some of this stuff is repetitive, but it has to be repetitive so you get it, Yeah. That's how you get it, because you've heard it over and 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 over, and you don't get in prematurely. So we said, Jacob said, every time frame tells a different story. So what pattern is this? Well, y'all got me teaching now. So what pattern is this? This is bonus day, right? What pattern is that?
Consolidation.
Look at the whole pattern. Look at this and look at that. So I'm going to show you. Take a snapshot of this. I'll just give you one. This is one of some of the most same consistent patterns that the market makes. And we went over this in our expo. When we do like training, when we do training at like an event, this is stuff that I bring out. I bring out stuff like this, okay? Because you want to train your eye. What does the scripture say? Let that eye be single, meaning you want to train your eye consistently on one thing and stick to it. The word is the word. The word is the word, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So y'all see my pattern, right? So what did I just show you? I showed you this. That rising wedge. So what's supposed to happen? What's supposed to happen? Talk to me. What's supposed to happen? Open.
It's supposed to start selling. It's gonna break, and then it's gonna start to sell.
Right. So it's gonna consolidate. Say the whole thing. It's gonna consolidate.
It's gonna consolidate.
And it's gonna get to a point. Yeah, it's gonna get to the point where it's going to get tight. If you have Bollinger Bands, if people traded with Bollinger Bands, some things get tight. That means a breakout can happen one or the other way, right? But we've seen this over and over a period of time, and when the market makes a rising wedge, it tends to want to break the support line and then hit another low. So that's what we're looking for. Vice versa, if we were looking at maybe a falling wedge or something like that, like up here, right? And we could also call this a bullish flag. We could call it that. It ain't a pennant, but it will consolidate, right? And then we've got that resistance level there, and it will tend to break, retest, and go to its target, right? So what you're doing is you're training your eye to be single. You're training your eye to see these particular patterns in the market over and over and over again, till you get real confident to say, you know what? I believe that's a rising wedge. This thing gonna drop. I'm gonna be ready for it to drop. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Time limit on when this wedge is over. It's just, you just got to be ready for it. So that's why I use alerts, right? So it can come all the way back here like that. Long as it's pointing up and you see it consolidating, you know sooner or later, boom. Okay? So that's what you be looking out for. And that's anything. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what you trade. When you see those, what's up, Alex? When you see those patterns. So even though I'm saying this is a daily move, okay, your entry is on a lower time frame. It's not on that time frame. If you try to enter in on the daily, you didn't miss 300, 400, 500 pips. So you go down into the lower time frames and you start to get your entries on the lower time frame.
Okay.
Why? Because of what you said the other day when I asked you how many 1 hour candles are in a 4 hour candle. You told me 4, right?
Yes.
Right. So if I'm on a 1 hour looking for an entry, how many 15-minute candles do we have in a 1 hour?
4.
So you see, we're looking, see how the story's changing. Now it looks like it's still a flag, but it's almost going sideways. You dig what I'm saying? So then if I go down to the 30-minute, oh yeah, it's going sideways. So every time frame tells a different story. So to get to what you are looking for, you go from 5, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, you find what you're looking for. So you're looking for that pattern that you see, that you know that if it looks like that pattern, oh yeah, we're looking like we're gonna get this. So now I just gotta wait, because this is on the 4 hour, this on the daily. So it might not happen to the end of the day. You dig what I'm saying? Right.
Yeah.
So right now, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Gold is just gone. Gold is good. Gold is moving. Did you catch that?
Yeah, I got it in it. It hit TP1.
Right. This was TP1 right here. So this is TP2 right here. So I wouldn't say anybody needed. Yeah, Alex, did you get it?
I didn't get the gold call, Doc, but I'm waiting on this Bitcoin setting up.
Y'all turn them doggone notifications. Everybody that's got Envision You app, get the money.
Yeah, get the money.
Y'all better get the money. James, that could have been the way you trade. That was another $5,000 for you, boy. You need to be. You know how you walk around and take your foot and kick yourself in the butt.
I missed that one, Doc. I missed that one.
Yeah, I know, because I know you be up. I was up with you. I had one eye open looking at that picture. You dropped yet? Yeah, that was good. So the DXY is pushing up. See how it's pushing up? Trying to push up. So even if it ranges and it gets to here, that's gonna smack that TP2 for gold. That's gonna get smacked. All right. And another thing, they're pretty consistent on Fridays when it comes to their gold trade. All right, so I know what y'all waiting for. What is NAS and SPX? Well, we should have been in SPX like John last night. That thing, saying sales. And I saw that coming too. That's why I put the zones up here before we went live. I just don't like this doggone 50 because we're in the uptrend. So this is a correction. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. It had almost made a new high. I think it did make a new high. Right here. Got, hold on. Yep, baby, look at that. NASDAQ ain't playing. They made a new high, y'all. How's your Tesla stock doing? Y'all get the Tesla when I told y'all to get the Tesla? I know Jacob did. I know he. So that's my only caution here on Friday. Do they want to continue to be create these highs? Or do they want to come back and test the trend line? I mean, they made a ton of money, man. They've been from here to here. I think John got it here, right? Didn't John get the low time frame? He played our bounce. Brian, did you stay in the bounce as well? He played the bounce exactly where we said to play the bounce. He grabbed all that. I think it was here, right?
Yeah, I didn't grab all of it. I wish I would have stayed in.
Yep, he got it all the way. I hope he stayed in that. Ooh, right here, baby. Look at that. Our sell, and then boom. He grabbed all that. That's man, woo-wee. That's a ton of money. Well, y'all, I might want to go ahead and snag it if it's playing right here. I don't want it to bounce back up in the zone, and that's a big 15-minute zone. It's not a little zone right there, so I'll wait. We don't have any news until we already had Canadian news at 8:30. So we got new news here at 10 o'clock. Okay, and it's more of a consumer, University of Michigan. Surveyed 500 customers asked to find rate to relative level of current future economy conditions. So they're looking for a little bump. Existing home sales, we know it's going to be up. We know it's going to be up. It was up when they were actually, yesterday's news was about home materials was up. So existing homes, now that they done dropped the percent, the what is it? The percent from 7, I think it was from like 7%, now down 4% for mortgages. People start buying houses, and then you got the inflation expectation. They don't have a forecast here. So this is going to be 10 o'clock. So just by actually almost knowing what's going to take place, this is why this is rising. See how that's rising? It's almost a positive news there.
Bitcoin is moving.
Yeah, it ain't dropping yet. It ain't where I need it to be.
On the 5-minute level.
Well, your 5-minute zone is smaller than my 4-hour zone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So if you plan it down there, just be careful. You know you're going to get a bounce right here.
Yes. I would say pip and dip. It's gonna bounce on this 50. So from there, I'm just watching.
from here to there, that's enough. Well, it's not 20 points, but 10 points would be good enough. But just know that we got, right now it's just consolidating. We're bullish on this. Now we want to catch the buy more than I would want to catch the opening bell. That's just my sentiment right now. But the news may push this down, just to give it another correction. So before the end of the day, it just continues to take off and create these new highs. All right. So that's what I'm looking for on NAS. Bitcoin is pushing, but it's only because of the US dollar is pushing too. Oh, shucks. Yeah, we just got a lot. I mean, not saying this can't knock it out. We should have started selling at around 8:30. We don't have a sell signal yet. We do got one on the 5-minute. But we got a pullback confirmation right here in the MACD. So that's not enough confluence. Y'all know what confluence means, right? Y'all know what confluence means, right? I don't know. Come on. Get right. It's already given us 10 points, and that's right on the money. All right, so if we don't get a break here, then I'm gonna be looking for some type of buy. What I'll do is I'll do this. But the dollar would have to start tanking. I don't think that's gonna happen right away. So I do like to sell because of the news at 10 o'clock, but the opening bell is at 9:30, so we could get a push up and then come back down and then hit our TP, depending on how long it takes. That's a whole half an hour. That's a big old zone they created right there. I don't like that. Let's trade it on the 5 minute. Nas on the 5 minute for this one. We'll trade Nas on the 5 minute. I like the 5 minute better. Switch over to the 5 minute chart. We might get a push down quicker. It's already pulling back. If it go back in that zone, I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, come on. 17. I would like be like 17. Anything like around 17.080. I'm in and out of profit right now. All right, I just took close one. Boom, big drop. Come on, TradingView, catch up. There you go. TradingView slowing down. There you go. Everybody should be in profit. Everybody should be pipping and dipping. I like the 5 minute better on this one. They moving before 9:30. Yep. Break that 50 SPX. There we go. We looking good. Shoot, they should have been doing like this yesterday. Yesterday, boy, was too much like work.
Yes, it was.
Big move, big drop. We all in profit. TP smash. Just knocked me out. Opening bell. Oh.
Was that one of them?
It knocked me out. It hit my TP, baby. There you go. Moving day happened on Friday. Where you at? Oh. Nice. SPX is breaking that. So SPX was, I would have said XPS was the better play. If we would have called it at 8:30, that would have been the better play.
Yeah.
Right there, retest, boom. Candle closed back below the resistance. We got the sell signal on the 5 minute. But this is a correction. It ain't it ain't like we selling. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Post that in the chat. Put it in the welcome group chat. Take a snapshot. Say, bonus. Bonus.
Hit party
Come on.
Friday.
Give me some love, y'all. Show me some love, y'all. Woo, let's go. Now, I hope you see that was just another 20 points. That's all we doing is 20 points. Second TP was 20 points. That's it, bro. If you can master that, you become your own signal. Why are you taking signals? You become your own signal. So SPX did break that 1 order block, but it's a whole lot more. So if we go to the 1 hour, you can see that that is nothing but a pullback. We still in a bullish cloud. See that?
Okay.
See that cloud? It ain't broke that cloud yet. Impulse, correction, continuation, rejection. Now it's pulling back. Okay? So now, as long as it doesn't break this flag, and this is what we taught, and then Brian and Jonathan, they got mastered the bounce. They look at these levels,
Yes.
and then they go on the lower time frame, like on the 2 minute, 1 minute, they grab that thing and shoot, that's 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks just on the bounce. And the pullback might not even be over yet. We will know really if this will become when they change directions, if it comes down here, come back up and create a what? Double top. Yep. That, then we can maybe come back down to that resistance. But we don't draw too far out into the future, right? So that is SPX. Nice. If anybody took SPS, great job.
Yeah, I took it this time.
Good job. Let's go. Let's give it another TP. Let's give it at the bottom of this 15 minutes. This last one down here. So it's a little bit more than 10 points. Well, let's go ahead and give it 10 points. There you go, baby. We got people taking it. Hey, y'all need to drop in the wealth building chat something. Yo. I know y'all trade, but I gotta tell people y'all getting the bag. We did hit both our TPs, okay? So now they're building on top of here too. So this will probably keep falling, okay? They're building on top of that. They're trying to, but it seems like they're building everything now here. But it is the 5 minutes. We go back to the 15 minutes. So we've got to bounce on the 15 minutes. So right here, that was a beautiful bounce. If anybody caught it, Brian, if you caught it, that's kind of what we're talking about. Right on that. If you look left, you can see that was an area that they corrected themselves and created some liquidity right there. So you look left, you see you had a bullish flag there. So it came down and it got smacked that and bounced back up. It doesn't mean it's not could break it. It could break it. But at that time, that's enough of bounce for you to grab that bounce. And if you like to take it, if you like to trade that way. Because remember, y'all, opening bell is just like scalping. We're not taking no market move. If we would have took it up here around 8 o'clock, we'd be in the market move from 8 o'clock. Yeah, that would be nice. But you waiting for opening bell. All we did was scalp. So look at SPX. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for your bonus. This is a bonus. Everybody got the bag. Any Q&A questions? Any questions? You can see we definitely caught. SPX was definitely another good move. Okay, a lot of sell pressure.
Yes.
And that's really, really, really good. Everything confluence. So let me tell y'all really quick. Confluence is when everything lines up at the same time based off the strategy that you have. So whatever strategy you have, that's when everything comes together. We got a sell signal, the whole turn red. We got the rejection. Okay, we got a red indicator here on the MACD that price could pull back. We got a cross on the MACD signal as well.
Yes.
And when
Yes.
you do that, you take your vertical line and you kind of line it up, and you can see everything started happening at the same time. That's what confluence means. So we got a cross, we got a dot, we got a red up there, we got a signal. That gives you enough. And it can, I got like 3 or 4 different strategies, but confluence don't change. Whatever, if it's like 2 confirmation, or two confirmation strategy, or 4 confirmation strategy, or 5 whatever it is, you wait till all of them line up, and I trust you, they will be. Ooh, I'm up. Bitcoin dropped, baby. So this was good. Let's go check out Bitcoin real quick. Our TPs hit. It was a good Friday, great bonus Friday. Bitcoin, watch it this weekend. Again, remember, they like to get their money on Fridays.
Right. Tell me if I'm wrong. They normally move it in the weekend when everybody's dancing out there and partying, right?
Yeah, they'll move when they do. They like moving when you busy. Put it like that. When you busy, they like moving. But I know on Fridays, it's just like anything. People get paid. Mostly everybody get paid on what?
Friday.
So most people are withdrawing their profits from the exchanges on Friday.
Okay.
So we're out.
That flag.
So that's breaking. That's breaking on the 30-minute. So we got till 10 o'clock. If this bad boy, I mean, it's not as risky now as it was when it was up here.
Yes.
But this is pretty much it, man. I mean, you could go ahead and take a small position right now, baby, because it's moving.
I will and put a stop loss.
Yeah, you can put a. If you're going for the whole bad boy, I would have a 300 pip stop loss or 3,000 if move. Okay.
I'll give you.
Beautiful, right? Live, y'all. Live. This is live. Let's go. Come on. Now on the 1 hour, we got till 10 o'clock. This bad boy closes. We want this other new candle to open and close. We need it to close. Okay, so we ain't out of the water yet. But you can make some small money on the smaller time frame. We've got this low right here that we got to capture.
Okay.
We got to capture that. Once we capture that, it's coming down here. And that move right there, just that move from here to there is over 1,000 pips. So that'll be our first TP. Boom! Come on, y'all. Alex, you got off too early.
I don't need the money.
Alex made a lot of money off my calls. I ain't worried about Alex.
I don't need the money.
Alex made a lot of money. He already talked to me. I know where Alex is. I don't know where he at now. Praise God. Praise God.
Yeah.
All right, so y'all saw it live.
All right.
Don't forget, you guys know where to go. Promote it for me, man. Share it if you want somebody to know where to get some good analysis and marketing. Share my YouTube page. It's a blessing. If you be a blessing to me, God be a blessing to you. You can't outgive the giver, man. You can't outgive the giver with a good heart. You know, don't be selfish. We out here making the impact. That's what we want. Right, there we go. We got If anybody want to be educated, you guys are seeing this on recorded. We've got an amazing educational platform. You got to be educated, okay? How we treat. Don't just try to learn on YouTube, okay? We can support you, but if you really want to be professional, really want to be consistent, whoever invited you onto this page, get back with them. Let them show you about our education platform. We got an amazing proprietary app as well. These 3 brokers underneath this academy, plugging into this app. We just took a trade on gold on this app. It is phenomenal. Okay, and be on the lookout for our contest that's coming. Gonna be free Bitcoin. My broker that I'm trading, you trading with me, giving up to 2,500 in bonuses, and you want to be a part of that. All right, guys, appreciate
All
y'all.
right.
Y'all take care.
Thank you very much, Doc.